AI-generated videos are a hot topic this year. For instance, the film The Origin of Toys R Us produced by Sora was released not long ago. However, when these AI tools land in the hands of users, various issues often arise. Setting aside the heavy AI footprint in the videos, even simple things like watermarks in the videos or the pixelation of the films can degrade the viewing experience. But with HitPaw Video Enhancer, all these problems can be easily solved. Let me show you how to do it now. You can go to the official website to download the app. Also, you can hit the link below the video to get it. Here are two clips that Luma Dream Machine generated. One is about a bunch of pigs are lining up to take a dive, and the other one is about a group of monkeys are having hip-hop competition. Once you launch the HitPaw Video Enhancer, go to the Enhance Video. Import the AI-generated videos. It offers lots of AI models for enhancement. Since both of the video are animation, we choose the animation model. The setting mark here, you can choose the resolution, format. For this video, I prefer to enhance to 1080p, where you can set the custom resolution in the file location. And HitPaw Video Enhancer can handle multiple tasks, thus we could import in other clips as well. And repeat the previous steps. With all setting done, and we can preview 3 seconds. Well, that's not bad. Export the video. It's very easy, isn't it? For the watermark, you can go to the home page and choose the watermark removal. Use the yellow box to cover the watermark. And you can preview 60 frames. Finally, export it. It is noted that HitPaw Video Enhancer could help you enhance the video quality as well as remove the unwanted text, but do not fix the AI footprints due to the original AI generator. If you found this video useful, please give us a like or subscribe our channel. And that's all for today's video. Stay tuned and see you next.